BBC Radio 5 Live presenter Rachel Burton, 46, said goodbye to Felicity Hanna yesterday, after she announced Sean Farrington would be returning to the airwaves on Tuesday. Felicity has been presenting the show's Wake Up to Money segment in his absence over the last 3 months. In view of her 88,100 followers, Rachel tweeted, "You have been brilliant. Much looking forward to @Sean Farrington being back in the chair, but we are not going to let you go that easily, Fliss." Sick. The heartfelt message was in response to an earlier tweet from Felicity, who thanked the Wake Up to Money team for all their hard work. She wrote, "I've had so much fun presenting #Wake Up to Money over the last 3 months, thank you to everyone who has come on to tell me their story. And thank you to the amazing WTM team who works so hard." Monday is a look ahead at 2022 with me. Then the @Sean Farrington is back from Tuesday, she told her 21,500 followers. In a follow-up tweet she added, "You'll still be sticking around for #Wake Up to Money on Fridays, you can't shake me off that easily." Felicity's fans were quick to compliment the finance pro on her excellent turn in Sean's absence. Keith, 15, commented, "It's such a shame you are not going to be presenting Wake Up to Money. I really like your style of broadcasting and presenting skills. So apart from Fridays, what are you going to be doing? Hope it all goes well and Happy New Year." Sick, thanks. I will still be popping up all over the place, Felicity replied with a smiley face emoji. Dan Boateng wrote, "So pleased you're staying around, you've been supremely good on Wake Up to Money. We'd be lost without you. I love starting the day with the podcast if I'm having a good sleep. Get some well-deserved ZZZZZZZS and can't wait to hear you whenever you're on. Happy New Year." Sick, Steve Downing added, "You've done a great job, Felicity, pleased you're not leaving the program completely. I wish you and your family a very happy new year." A few months ago, Sean announced that he would be stepping away from the show for a while to spend more time with his son. Sharing some adorable pictures of the youngster, he shared the news with his 10,500 followers on October 2nd. "I'm off the airwaves for a bit to spend a bit more time with this ray of light," he explained. A handful of major ops in his first 15 months and, fortunately, has barely flinched and has actually kept us going. Rachel Burton presents 5 Live's breakfast show and Rick Edwards has been co-hosting with her since November. The show's Wake Up to Money segment focuses on the world of personal finance and gives the latest updates on financial markets around the globe.